This is my bird room. I let the birds out to fly around. There's one on the windowsill. These are my canaries, and they're all young. I raised most of them right here last year in this room. The exercise is real good for them. I heard from another breeder, the more exercise they get, the less chance of a hen being egg bound. It's snowing outside. That's my neighbor's ugly trailer. Can you see out the window? It's snowing. The birds are good flyers. They love to fly. And they're good flyers. I didn't know that until I started letting them out to fly around. I put this, those two are kind of fighting. They've been a little hard on my Christmas cactus. I put some lettuce out, but they're not really going for it. They like it up there. I like it on the windowsill. Oh, you can see the snow. It's snowing. We have some birds up there. One in the cage. You can get out though if you want. They like going in there. They like that windowsill. My neighbor's ugly trailer next to her. I like to let them out every day so they can fly, get some exercise. It's just good for them. And this is December right now. It's kind of cold in here. I keep it cold just so they know it's winter. And then when the springtime gets warmer, then they know it's spring. Not everybody came out. Some of them like to stay in the cage. Hi guys. I've had birds that don't like to fly around in the room. It's okay. They don't have to. Just a nice option. I'll have to tidy up. They like going in that cage. I think they like the natural sticks. I try to use natural sticks. They like them as perches. Okay.